Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. It is Wednesday. It's time to go for a walk because on Wednesdays we walk. This time we're in Argassi.
So as opposed to the last time we did a winter walk through Argassi, we're going to start right in the middle with magic, just because we thought we'd mix it up. And secondly, we're not too sure what's gone on with this telegraph pole. We hope that will be sorted before the beginning of the season.
Anyway, enough about this telegraph pole. Let's go for a little walk up here. So today is especially quiet because it's Easter Sunday.
You absolutely ruined the illusion that we walk on a Wednesday.
Yeah, sorry about this, guys, but currently when you're watching this, we're in Athens having a few days. So we pre-filmed for you because last week we didn't do a walking Wednesday and there was outrage. Well, not really.
Outrage. People are writing to MPs.
Yeah, fuming. So here you are with a walking Wednesday. I'm not too sure how much of this to show you currently because Argassi is pretty much dead.
By the way, if you didn't catch it, we, Sunday just gone, we did a super fast turnaround with our vlog to show you everything that we saw, that we experienced with Easter Sunday here in Zakynthos. It was the first time we did it, absolutely like everything. So if you haven't seen that, go and see that as well, because wow, just spectacular.
That's a hotel there.
Yeah.
We filmed bridal prep in there.
Yeah, we've had a bride in there.
Yeah, we have had a bride in there.
There's quite a few places on the main strip of Kalamaki that we've seen this week that are starting to get a bit of work done to it, but can't really say the same for Argassi. However, we might not be seeing it because it's Easter Sunday. So take this with a bit of a pinch of salt.
Diana Palace, over to the left-hand side. Having a bit of a spruce up, it looks like.
Looks like it's having a bit of a facelift, yeah.
This is what I love about Argassi. There's loads of little roads off with all little villas and Airbnbs and little apartments. Not everything is located on the main strip.
Yeah, it goes up and into the hills as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, you've got studios up there. Mini golf there.
How do I not know about that mini golf?
So over here, what we can see is we've got Chrissa Studios, Stella Studios, and Villa, what's that say?
Crinas.
Crinas. So yeah, we're going to turn around, head back down. This is how quiet it is here, guys. Super quiet.
Since we left the house this morning, we can't believe just how quiet the roads are. But for those who know, they'll know that Easter to Greeks is very much like what Christmas is to us in the UK or in Ireland or lots of places throughout Europe. Easter to Greeks is like the pinnacle of the holiday.
Back on the main strip now, and we are just opposite Salsi by Magic. We're going to take a little walk up. If you stay here, tell us your favourite restaurants in the comments because there are so many here and we've only ever been to, I'd say about 2. Ethnic is a massive favourite of ours and so is Green Frog. You see, the problem is with Green Frog is that they've got this wonderful garden out back and no one knows about it.
No one knows about it.
So if you haven't been to Green Frog, you really need to eat there because the garden is beautiful. They also do cooking classes as well. The cooking classes are amazing. But yeah, I've heard great things about Peppermint too. So let us know what other restaurants you like. If you've been to any of the ones we've mentioned, would love to know your recommendations. There is one place we do love here and that is the bakery. The bakery is in the when you're driving from Zante town, you're coming in that way, you pass the bakery on the right-hand side. It actually features in our digital guide, which is coming out in a handful of weeks. And that's going to be featuring over 50 places where me and Adam have eaten throughout our 3 years of living here. Our recommendations split between bakeries, good coffee finds, sunset spots, authentic tavernas that you won't find in resorts. Some of them you will, but most of the good ones are not in resorts. Some bougie places if you're looking for like a special occasion meal, maybe an anniversary or something. We've got some bougie places in there, and also some really good, cheap sort of snacky places. So we are bringing that out. It will be in PDF form and it will be coming to you in a couple of weeks. More information will be given on our socials, so make sure you keep your eye out for that. Anyway, let us know about the restaurants.
Got Hotel Ilyasa Beach over on the left.
And Katerina Palace is here, ads as well. I've heard people mention this place. Katerina Palace is up there. That looks lovely.
I've seen that mentioned a number of times.
But it goes all the way back there.
Grounds are beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah. Good old legends.
That's probably the quietest that many people watching this has ever seen it. The place bounces, doesn't it?
Do you know what? I am actually craving a roast. Good job it's Easter Sunday. I'm getting my Greek lamb today. Mega Yorkshire pudding.
You can tell Emma's hungry. She's just currently stood here checking out the menu of Legends.
Vitamin C breakfast, what's that? Orange juice with a side of orange. Hickory chicken and ribs combo. Oh, I'm hungry.
We've got so much jammed into today. We've come out so early we haven't even had a coffee yet. And we didn't put two and two together. And the bakery that Emma was just mentioning, we thought, oh, we'll just get a quick coffee at Minolas Bakery.
Minolas, that's the name of it.
And it's, yeah.
Ineos Hotel. Oh, that looks nice.
That's having a bit of work done.
Oh,
Look.
This place looks nice. What's this place? Love the aesthetic of that.
Yeah.
That's a bit of me. Another hotel over there to the left.
Mimosa Beach. Forget the coffee, I'd quite go for a mimosa right now.
Do you know what I can't stand?
What's that?
I can't stand people who judge other people's food choices.
Oh, don't
while
even. The
they're
food
away
police.
On holiday.
Does my
What are
head
you
in.
having an English breakfast for? You're in Greece, make the most of it.
What's it to you?
Mind your own business. People eat what they want to eat. Let people live. Crying out loud, I hate all these. Whenever I see a comment like that on any of these bloody Facebook groups, it really winds me up. I have to reply. I should just scroll past, but I can't help it. It really winds me up.
But then again, they should just scroll.
Yeah, like, take your judgment elsewhere. People eat what they want to eat. People like us as well.
I'm sorry. Molly Malone's fancy mini golf.
I know, we're going
Can
to
we
have
go
to do
there
it.
this year?
Should we do a meet-up at the mini golf? I'll just be sat at the bar drinking because I haven't got the patience for mini golf.
Before you carry on with that, we have a little bit of a connection to that place, and we haven't been in yet, but when we were in Patra last year,
It wasn't Patra, Piraeus.
we went to see Kylie, we got an Uber back, and the Uber driver, turns out it's a cousin.
Cousin,
Or
it's always a
ne-
cousin.
Cousin or a nephew or someone from the owners of this place. How mad is that? I love Zante, it's so small. Anyway, what are you saying about the food, please?
No, I'm saying people like us who live here, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes we fancy a roast dinner or an English brekkie.
Yeah.
Or, God forbid, a pucker pie,
Oh, how dare
chips
you.
and mushy peas, and the
No.
one in Antonis is banging, by the way.
Yeah.
And if I eat that and I see people judging me because I'm having a pucker pie,
Yeah.
you know, I've got Karen and John over there judging me because they think I'm on me 2 weeks. Oh, look at her having a pucker pie. Oh, look at her on her rolls. And live here, mate. And sometimes a girl just needs some carbs.
Wind your neck in, John.
Wind your neck in, John.
But at the same time, even if you are on your holidays, what is it to anybody else? I don't understand why people get so offended.
By other people's food choices.
Yeah.
And
However, one place you won't get a poker pie from is Green Frog. Fantastic, authentic food in there, and the family are great.
This place looks posh.
Cabo looks a bit of posh, doesn't it? I was going to say a bit of me, in all honesty.
Bit of me, that adds.
It's a bit of you. I'd be so out of place.
Also, Nima's up here as well.
Oh, yeah.
We're going there with the guys during the summer.
Yes.
Hotel Windmill is over here to your left, up there.
Is that a hotel? Where's the windmill?
Don't know.
Oh, that's on a postcard.
I feel like we've lost the weather a bit, you know?
It's been absolutely stunning these last few days. Blue skies.
Perfect for Easter.
Oh, it's been brilliant. It's just overcast today, but it's not cold. It's really not cold.
Might have to rethink my outfit for Easter Sunday. This is not the one.
I love this part of Argassi because you're getting a little bit out of, you know, like the main thoroughfare. And you've got these smaller, more intimate places. Come to the Grill is here on the right. That we've heard a number of people talk about that place and we haven't been there yet. So let us know if we should, or anywhere else up here. We'd love to know. We know there's the garden bar all the way up on the hill out of Argassi. And so just coming to these last few here before we're going to turn back around. Emma's already turned back around. We've got Capriccio Studios right there, and we have Argassi Beach right there. And there's a few other places up there as well, but you know, time is money. So we're going to hot foot it right the way back to Magic, jump in the car and get the other half of Argassi on the way out as we head out for our Easter celebrations. And just like that, with the magic of editing, we're back at Magic. Oh, how clever was that, eh?
I didn't hear you, sorry,
I
because
said
of the
with the
bike.
magic of editing, we're back at Magic.
Wow. Tremendous.
I'm definitely in the right game. You hardly don't recognise so many places because they've got the signs taken in for the winter as well.
So Peppermints is here on the right-hand side.
I'm dying to try that.
Yeah, me too. Just taking you up into the back roads.
There really are some lovely villas and apartments up here, aren't there?
Studio apartment.
Yeah.
Canalos Taverna, if you're ever looking for somewhere gorgeous to go, is up that way. Oh, it smells good.
Every single little town, village, residential area that we've passed this morning, you can smell the grills fired up. Some of them already have the lamb and goat on the spit rotating. I'm starving.
So this is where we walked up before. Back down towards Magic we go, and we'll go to the beach and check out the beach.
Argassi will always have a very special place in our hearts because Argassi is the first place that Emma and I ever came out and stayed when we came out here to work for a week, and we fell in love with this place. And it's that little bit over here where you can see the end of the little building and where the kind of the floor reaches out. Tide's actually high now. It kind of goes out generally a little bit more. And we were walking along here for the first ever time, and Emma said, I'm getting in the sea. And I said, well, we're going to, I can't remember where we were going.
We had a shoot.
We had a shoot to do. And Emma said, well, I've got my cozy on and I've got my towel, so I'm getting in. And that was it, she just got in. Doesn't sound so much, but when you just hear and you fall in love with the place and you're absolutely compelled to get in the sea, that's what my wife does. She just gets in the sea. And that view across to town is one I never get sick of.
So guys, that is it from us on our Wednesday we go a walking. Hope you enjoyed it.
Walking Wednesdays, it's just Walking Wednesdays.
It's not Walking Wednesdays, Walking Wednesdays is so plain and boring.
Wednesdays we go walking.
Wednesdays we go a walking.
Our walking, it just trips off the tongue. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you do check out Easter, because that was just a stunning time to be here, wasn't it?
I'm still recovering now. I can't do all-nighters like I used to.
2 really late nights.
I'm dead.
Hilarious. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Bye, Emma.
Bye, Emma. Bye, guys.
Make good choices.
Make good choices.
As in, sleep.
Sleep. Let's go to sleep.